Did you know that approximately 50% of your happiness is within your control? This means that despite the ups and downs of life, you have the power to influence your own well-being significantly. That's right. While genetics and life circumstances play a role, a significant portion of your happiness is determined by your thoughts, actions, and habits. By focusing on positive activities and nurturing relationships, you can enhance your overall happiness. This empowering realization opens the door to a life filled with more joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of excitement and contentment, knowing that you hold the key to your own happiness. It's time to take charge of your happiness and unlock its transformative power. By making small intentional changes, you can create a ripple effect that enhances every aspect of your life. This essay will guide you through simple yet effective steps to cultivate more happiness in your life. From practicing gratitude to setting meaningful goals, these strategies are designed to help you thrive. By understanding the nature of happiness, embracing scientifically backed strategies, and incorporating practical tips into your daily routine, you can make lasting changes that lead to a more joyful existence. You can embark on a journey toward a more joyful and fulfilling life. Let's explore these concepts together and discover the true potential of your happiness. Happiness is often misunderstood as a destination, a state of constant euphoria that we must strive to achieve. We often chase after it, believing that once we reach a certain milestone or achieve a specific goal, we will finally be happy. However, a more accurate and helpful perspective is to view happiness as a journey, a continuous process of growth, connection, and meaning-making. It's about the experiences we gather along the way, the relationships we build, and the lessons we learn. It's about savoring life's simple pleasures, navigating challenges with resilience, and cultivating a sense of gratitude for the present moment. Each moment, whether joyful or challenging, contributes to our overall sense of fulfillment. Happiness is not about feeling happy all the time. Instead, it's about experiencing a wide range of emotions while maintaining a general sense of well-being and contentment. It's about understanding that every emotion has its place and value. It's about embracing the ups and downs of life with a positive outlook and focusing on what truly matters. By doing so, we can find joy in the journey itself, rather than constantly seeking a distant destination. Beyond feeling good, happiness has been scientifically proven to have numerous benefits for your physical, mental, and social well-being. Studies have shown that happier individuals tend to live longer, healthier lives. They have stronger immune systems, lower blood pressure, and are better equipped to cope with stress and adversity. Moreover, happiness enhances creativity, productivity, and problem-solving skills. It strengthens relationships, fosters empathy and compassion, and contributes to a more positive and fulfilling life overall. By prioritizing happiness, you are investing in your overall well-being and unlocking a world of possibilities. Section 4. Gratitude, a simple key to unlocking joy. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to increase happiness is through practicing gratitude. This practice doesn't require any special tools or significant time investment, making it accessible to everyone. Gratitude is about shifting your focus from what you lack to what you have, appreciating the good in your life, and expressing thankfulness for the people and experiences that enrich it. It's a mental shift that can transform your outlook on life. Start by incorporating a daily gratitude practice into your routine. This can be as simple as writing down a few things you are thankful for each day. Each day, take a few moments to reflect on 3 things you are grateful for, whether big or small. This simple act can have profound effects on your mental well-being. It could be the warmth of the sun on your skin, a delicious meal, or the beauty of nature around you. A kind gesture from a stranger, a smile from a passerby, or the love of family and friends. These moments, when acknowledged, can significantly boost your mood and overall happiness. By consciously acknowledging and appreciating the good, you invite more joy and contentment into your life. This simple practice can be a powerful tool in your journey towards a happier, more fulfilling life. Section 5. Move your body, lift your spirits. Physical activity plays a crucial role in boosting happiness and overall well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects, reduces stress and anxiety, and improves sleep quality. Engaging in regular physical activity, even in small increments, can significantly impact your happiness levels. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or simply taking a brisk walk in nature. Set realistic goals and gradually incorporate more movement into your daily routine. You'll be amazed by the positive impact it has on your mood, energy levels, and overall outlook on life. Section 6. The power of connection, building happy relationships. Humans are social beings, and strong social connections are essential for happiness and well-being. Nurturing meaningful relationships with family, friends, and your community provides a sense of belonging, support, and purpose. Make an effort to spend quality time with loved ones, engage in activities you enjoy together, and be present in your interactions. Practice active listening, offer support and encouragement, and cultivate a sense of empathy and understanding in your relationships. Building and maintaining strong social connections will enrich your life with love, laughter, and a sense of belonging. Section 7. Embrace happiness. The journey begins today. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination. It's about cultivating habits, embracing positivity, and savoring life's simple pleasures. By incorporating practices like gratitude, physical activity, and social connection into your daily routine, you can unlock the transformative power of happiness and live a more joyful and fulfilling life. Start today. Choose one small step from this essay and commit to incorporating it into your life. As you experience the positive effects, gradually add more happiness-boosting habits. Embrace the journey and enjoy the ride as you unlock a life filled with greater joy, purpose, and meaning.